daw, 700 meters. Andito na tayo. Tingnan natin kung ano makikita natin sa Swiss Cottage. Woo! Yeah! So this is the parking.
You have arrived.
Opening hours. Oh! Saan ang entrance? Admission office. Last admission 45 minutes before closing. No entry ng car dito, kaya safe tayo maglakad. Doon kami galing. Ganun yung parking on the side. Yung palang sa kalsada pala. Pero pinagbawal nila dito yung entry ng car. Dahil nga walking distance yung Swiss Cottage. So dito kami magwa-walk.
Does anybody even like that?
Saan? Snake in your dreams. 4 minutes walk lang siya. Sabi ng Google Map. Mas malakas pa sa mic yung mas malakas pa sa mic. Ang galing. Pero hindi ko maintindihan ba nagkikwentuhan nila. So, magiging background na lang siya sa aking video. Ito ang maganda sa Ireland. Puro nature. Gusto ko ang nature talaga. At marami nun dito sa Ireland. Maraming nature, maraming endangered species sa mga animals, like these two. Na kami, and how many minutes? In 2 minutes, makakarating na kami sa aming destination. So, yan. Pag nakita mo na yung bridge na yan, yan na yung indication. Ay, mami! Bus only. Yan o, Kahir Castle. Yan o. So, may mga shortcut dito, pwede mong lakarin. Kaya lang, pag nilakad mo, babalik ka uli. Yeah, kasi yung car mo. Ito yung nakita ko mami. Nakita kong hagdan kanina. May daan din siguro, pero mahagdan lang. Baka pabalik. Yan, diretso. Kasi yung as per Google, andito yung madadaanan mo yung bridge. Tuloy-tuloy lang natin yung bridge. Very peaceful. Swiss Cottage. I wanna look at the too big. To look at the too big. What is too big? Uy, asan na si Axel? Axel, ingat ka. Baka ma-slide. Dumadiretso ka dyan. Hindi kami marunong lumangoy. Maganda pala na magpapicture na doon ko sa tulay. Ay, pwede siguro. Pwede ganyan
Yan, saan ka?
Ito na yung water niya, oh. Running water siya. Kaya maganda. Running water, oh. Ano kaya to? Lake? Lake siguro to, mami, o river?
Make sure it doesn't get inside or get too far.
River? River ba siya? I don't know.
Not a lake.
Huh?
A lake like stays like this.
Oo, hindi siya running, no? Yeah, you're
So good.
okay. I agree. Definitely, yes.
I feel like you're gonna like.
Diba,
fall down.
ang saya-saya. Appreciate mo lang.
I'm gonna like stay down
Kahit,
here.
kahit siguro ka lang dito, kumain ka lang. Kaya lang, hindi ko lang alam kung bawal ang pagkain dito.
Where is the fishing?
Walang fish. O hindi mo lang kita kasi yung water, clear naman siya. Kaya lang yung mga rock sa ilalim, yun ang medyo malumot, kaya dark. Pero kung tutuusin, kung yung water at water lang, clear man, very clear. Ang sarap po. Anyway, let's go.
Hey, no, give me that. Oh, yeah, bug. Give me Rupert.
Ayan, tuloy natin yung ating walking tour dito sa Swiss Cottage.
Here, these ones. This last one. Wait,
Follow us.
the bottom.
Two.
Bakit naglalagay siya doon ng entrance fee? Ito na yun. Ito na yung entrance fee. Smells good. Thank you. nga ba yung pinasukan natin? Reception. Okay.
Hello, how are you? Ticket prices are there. So an adult is 5 and anybody over 12 then is €3.
This is under 12,
Okay?
so that's 12.
3 and 5, 10, 13.
Say 10. Fine.
Oh, thank you.
Now it's a guided tour to see the rooms and the tour starting in less than 5 minutes if you'd like to join that. Yeah.
Good, thank you. Saan ang front?
So pretty.
On your right, di ba? Sabi niya on your right. Wala kaming nakuha na ticket online. So, maghihintay kami dito in 5 minutes. Magkakaroon daw kami ng tour sa loob. Ayan. So, binubuksan na niya yung pintuan for our guided tour. May katatapos lang na group ng pumasok sa loob. So, most probably kami naman ang next.
So the cottage itself was built in 1810 but fell into a very bad condition by the 1980s. Restoration took almost 4 years. We believe the architect to be John Nash. Most of the mature woodland that you see was planted around the time the cottage was built to create a secluded setting for it and to create views from upstairs. And they planted almost 800 acres of wood. Only no object. But the cottage was meant to look as if it was part of the garden, part of nature. And that's why you see the tree trunks, the climbing plants, as if it just sprang out of the ground. Of course, in nature, nothing grows completely straight, and that's why almost everything in this cottage is crooked. So I'm sure you've noticed the roof is anything but level. Both windows and doors are all various shapes and sizes, so very little matches. A lot of what you see was replaced during restoration. The roof had to be completely rethatched. Most of the exposed woodwork outside was replaced as well. When the Butler family visited, they came by carriage. Down along by the riverbank from here, they would have continued around the hill and entered through the front door. Remember, you came through an underground tunnel. That was the servants' entrance. So the Butler family might have been playing peasant when they came here, couldn't manage without the servants, naturally enough. Just get them hidden in the basement and out of sight. So the reception area where you bought your tickets, that was their kitchen. And they had a little wine cellar in the basement as well. So I think that's the clue. It really was a part of us. Our large yew tree there to the right of the cottage we believe to be at least 1,000 years old. It may well have been planted in the 9th century when there was an early Christian monastery on the hill because yew trees were commonly planted on church property. But I think the trees could tell, it must have a few tales to tell by now. So before we go inside, if you any questions? Okay, just 2 things to remember when we go inside. I'm afraid no photos are allowed in the rooms,
Oh.
and we just ask you please not to touch any of the wall coverings or furniture in the cottage.
Okay.
So this
We just finished our tour. And I just want to ask the kids, what did you learn from the tour?
It was very old and bottom-wise.
And you know, the original owner of the house,
Butcher. I think was it called?
Butlers.
What's
Butlers Butcher. Butlers. Dito tayo. Upo tayo, upo. Pipicture lang kami, bawal mag-camera doon sa loob. Babalik na kami. Yung guided tour is, it only took maybe 30 minutes. And explain lang nila yung ano, yung naging function ng house, yung cottage, yung, ang original owner is Butler family. Yeah, sila yung original owner. And then in time, napasa-pasa siya hanggang sa ma-renovate siya in 1985 ba siya na-renovate? 1985. Yun. So, yun lang yung tenure nila. Babalik na kami dun sa same exit. Hi.
You forgot it all.
Yeah, I forgot it. Where we came from. It's good that somebody remembered it. Good, somebody's remembering our way back. And then we're going back.
It's not much really, you guys go on the service way, this is, yeah. Yeah, but we're here.
Until 1985, before restoration.
Yeah, go.
And then, nandito ulit kami sa river. Yung dinaanan namin kami kanina. And then, babalik kami sa car. So, ito yung admission nila. Oh. Ito yung binayaran namin. Admission, adult 5. Senior citizen 4. Child student is 3. 13 family. And then, below 12, under 12 is free. So, yun yung sinasabi niyang river. Dito sila, sabi dun sa tour, is yung family ng butler, minsan, gumagamit sila ng river para pumunta dito. Ayan oh, galing. Balik muna kami sa park.
Came from.
Yeah, directly sa parking lot natin. So, iba yung dinaanan naming way. Kanina dun kami sa kalsada, sa road. Ngayon, gagamitin namin itong ito, steps. Sigurado, pagkain namin, gutom na gutom kami. Ginutom muna namin itong mga bata. Yung kanina, na dapat dadaanan natin, akala ko yung entrance, pero another way din siyang pagpunta sa baba. So, mas shortcut to. Kung dito kami dumaan kanina, mga 1 minute lang yan. Yan. 1 minute lang. Dito ka lang muna, magkaalis. Yan, magpipicture sila, pero ang purpose talaga nila ay umakyat ng puno, hindi magpa-picture. Okay, so see you later in our next destination. This is the end of our second destination today. Bye!
Bye. Destruction.
Destruction. Bye.